How to make a t-shirt in Roblox on mobile. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own t-shirt in Roblox right from your phone. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any steps. First, open your web browser Chrome, Safari, whatever you like. In the address bar, type create.roblox.com and hit go. Once you're there, tap login in the top right and sign into your Roblox account. After you're logged in, tap the three lines in the top left corner and choose Dashboard. Along the top of your dashboard, you'll see Create, and under that, tap Avatar Items. Scroll down until you find the Filters menu. Tap it and choose Classic T-shirts so you're set up for the right asset type. Now you'll see an Upload Asset button. Tap that. Then tap Upload again. Your phone will ask where to grab your image from, so find the design you've created and select it. Tap Done, then give your t-shirt a name and a description. When you're ready, scroll down and hit Upload. Once your shirt uploads, tap its entry in the list. You'll see a sales toggle. If you want to sell your design, switch it on and set a price. If you just want to wear it yourself, you can skip that part. Now head back to the Roblox app. Tap Avatar. Then Customize at the top. Choose Clothing. Scroll over to Classic T-shirts. There's your brand new creation. Tap it, let it load for a moment. And you're all set, you're rocking your very own custom Roblox t-shirt. If this helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more Roblox tips. Thanks for watching.